Hello there, welcome to Nana's channel, which is all about sewing from basics to advanced. Now today let's finish our dress. Okay, there we go. Let's finish it. Now I went ahead, as I said last week, I will be doing the strap. Okay, so it's all done. The facing is done, and the pattern suggests for us to do under stitch, but I didn't do that. I just top stitch it because I didn't want to sew, stop, sew, stop, sew, and so on and so forth. So I just did top stitch, and this is straight, simple, straightforward facing. I've walked you through that before, I believe. Now I always talk about center zipper, so you are aware how to sew center zipper. This is lap zipper. Let me bring the camera down. This is lap zipper. See how it laps it? Okay. Instead of you pressing 5/8, 5/8, when the outfit is facing you that you're going to sew, the right hand side, you press only half an inch. At the right hand side, you only need 1/8, not, I shouldn't say only, 1/8 to come in to stitch it and then overlap. But sometimes I go as far as a quarter, but don't go more than a quarter. You need 1/8 excuse me, but as I said, sometimes I go a quarter depending on the style and the fabric that I'm using. So now all what I need is to join the skirt part to the bodice part and sew the zipper. Okay, and I've walked you guys through all this step by step, so check some of my old videos. I think a year ago or a year and a half ago, you'll find how I walk you through it step by step. So I won't take you to the machine and I'll be right back. So hold on a bit. Hello there. Just in the middle of the sewing, I decided to bring you guys along. So I'm joining the waist now, okay? The bodice and the skirt is what I'm joining now. As I always say, to get my size seam match, I always put a pin both at the bodice and the skirt itself, so I get my seams match. Okay, this end is joined. So I'm going to pin the zipper to it and I'll be back. Okay, I've stitched the right hand side from the bottom all the way up. Now I'm gonna overlap it, pin it then you see me stitch. Okay, so hold on again. Okay, there. Okay, now let's go sew. I think I had to get off and then come back. Out because of the time. So I'll be right back again. Okay, I'm back. This is the wrong side. So done. Okay, let's turn into the right side. And then next week, I do a chain stitch at the side for the belt. Again, that's the back. And this is the front. Okay, so I do a chain stitch at the side, put on the belt, or I'll do it now, and then I'll what do you call it? I'll take a picture of it and put it on a video. Okay, so we are done with this, and then the dress. Okay, so next week I'm thinking of sewing this dress. It's McCall's 8556, McCall's 8556 style B, or I'll end up starting a series of something else. Example, like the one I did with the Hong Kong seams, French seams, flat seams, and mock seams, and so on and so forth. Okay, so haven't decided yet. So either I will start this next week, or I'll start another series of finishing our garment outside, not the inside this time. Okay, so happy sewing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye. Thank you.